everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava. You will click on settings and you will enter. Then you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above here you will search about Strava app and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.